Adventure-based parenting, restoring relationships, motivating an active lifestyle, and fostering resilience. Well, once we get started going on those adventures, we often hit what we call roadblocks. I think we all hit these things when we set goals, and then we hit a roadblock, whether it's we get sick, or our gear breaks, or the weather doesn't work how we want it to, or maybe somebody in our group or in our family just isn't motivated to do what we're doing. So, like I said, lots of roadblocks out there, and we dedicate a whole week to how to face those roadblocks and how to process that, and as a family, as a group. And I know a lot of us, when we hit those roadblocks, there's some of us with personality that would just say, no, we're just charging through, and kind of carry the whole group through it. And sometimes there's folks who say, forget it, let's just not do this. And one of the things that we like to do as adventure-based parenting program here is to take some time to stop, evaluate the situation, and then move forward. Maybe it's a time to take a break. Maybe it's time to ask for some help, or use some of the tools that we teach during this week, or maybe from previous weeks. So let us come alongside you. Come join us for cohort in October. It's a 12-week program, and we do live chats every week and have curriculum for 12 weeks. And we hope that you can come join us.